In Indian law, a riot is when a group of people use violence or force to achieve a common goal. This is defined in Section 146 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC. What constitutes a riot? 1. Unlawful assembly. A group of 5 or more people with a common goal. 2. Violence or force. The use of force or violence by any member of the group. And 3. Common goal. The group must have a unified desire to commit a crime. Who is guilty of rioting? Every member of the unlawful assembly is guilty of rioting, even if they didn't commit the crime themselves. What is the punishment for rioting? The punishment for rioting depends on the circumstances. Example of a riot. A group of people form an unlawful assembly to demolish a building. If they come together and actually demolish the building, this is considered rioting.